In our fast-paced world, maintaining cognitive fitness is essential for optimal performance and overall well-being. Just as physical exercise strengthens our bodies, there are various strategies we can employ to enhance our brain's capacity and cognitive function. In this video, we will explore 3 effective strategies for sharpening the mind and improving cognitive abilities. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing attention on the present moment without judgment. This practice has been shown to increase grey matter density in brain, regions associated with memory, learning, and emotional regulation. By regularly engaging in mindfulness meditation, individuals can cultivate greater attentional control, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive flexibility. Moreover, mindfulness practices have been linked to improvements in working memory, decision-making, and overall cognitive performance. Aerobic exercise, regular aerobic exercise such as jogging, swimming, or cycling has profound effects on brain health and cognitive function. Aerobic exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neurons and enhancing synaptic plasticity. Additionally, exercise stimulates the release of neurotrophic factors, such as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which support the survival and growth of neurons. Studies have shown that individuals who engage in regular aerobic exercise exhibit better memory, attention, and executive function compared to sedentary counterparts. Incorporating aerobic exercise into one's routine not only improves physical fitness but also boosts cognitive performance and brain health. Cognitive training. Engaging in cognitive training activities such as puzzles, brain games, and memory exercises can help maintain and enhance cognitive function, particularly in older adults. These activities challenge various cognitive domains, including memory, attention, problem-solving, and processing speed. By regularly challenging the brain with new and stimulating tasks, individuals can improve neural connectivity, enhance synaptic plasticity, and build cognitive reserve. Cognitive training has been associated with improvements in memory, reasoning, and overall cognitive performance, as well as a reduced risk of cognitive decline and dementia. In conclusion, cultivating cognitive fitness is essential for maintaining optimal brain health and function. By implementing strategies such as mindfulness meditation, aerobic exercise, and cognitive training, individuals can enhance their brain's capacity, improve cognitive abilities, and promote overall well-being. These practices not only strengthen neural networks and synaptic connections, but also support cognitive resilience and healthy aging. As we prioritize physical fitness, let us also prioritize cognitive fitness to lead fulfilling and meaningful lives.